In this section, we are now going to discuss about congruence and congruence of triangles. What do you mean by congruence? Suppose if you consider two objects, if the shape and size of those two objects are same, then those two objects are said to be congruent. Let us consider an example. Suppose here are the two 2000 notes. So if you observe these 2000 notes, aren't they of same size? Yes, right? And check their shape. So they are of same shape, right? Hence, these two notes are said to be congruent. In order to understand the congruence of line segments, let us consider these two lines, line AB, line CD. So for these two lines, if you observe, the lengths of these two line segments are said to be same. Hence, these line segments are said to be congruent. Now, if you want to understand the congruence of triangles, let us go to Egypt. Wow, I'm in Egypt. Here, if you observe, there are so many pyramids. Do you know the interesting property of these pyramids? Let us consider a pyramid. Suppose here, if you observe this pyramid. So, this pyramid has an interesting property. If you open up all these triangles, if you observe, they are said to be congruent. How is it possible? Let us take two of these triangles. If you observe these two triangles, check their sides. So if you observe these sides, all the sides of the triangles are said to be same. If you observe, all the sides of the triangles are same. And even the shape, if you observe, the shape of these two triangles are also equal. Hence, these two triangles are said to be congruent. So if you want to check the congruence of these two triangles, you can put one of the triangle over the other. They will be exactly overlapping one another. So these two triangles are said to be congruent. You can flip them, you can roll them, and you can slide them. So in each of these cases, in every case, they will be overlapping each other. Hence, the triangles are said to be congruent. So the exact definition for the triangles to be congruent is, we have these two labeled triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. The side AB, if it is equal to the side PQ, and if the side BC is equal to QR, and if the side CA is equal to the side RP, then the three corresponding sides of these two triangles are equal. And if you observe the corresponding angles, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. If the sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding sides of the other triangle, and if the angles of the one triangle are equal to the corresponding angles of the other triangle, then the triangles are said to be congruent. So we can represent that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Now let us learn about the criteria for the congruence of triangles.